When skies open, business shut down. But what if the law could keep your doors open? Floods and heavy rains are no longer seasonal inconveniences, they are the economical disaster. From Karachi, submerged streets to Punjab, wash out warehouses, businesses across the Pakistan face high losses every year. But beyond the damages lie a legal landscape that offers both protection and accountability. In this video, we will explore how the floods affect the businesses, what the losses, and how can we safeguard our enterprises. Legal analysis, business impact and legal framework, business disruption, property damages, factories and inventories are often damages and they are inaccessible. Supply chains break down, transport routes are blocked, delaying goods and services, loss of income, daily wages earns and small industries suffer. The cost of the raw materials rises and the repair services are not available. Relevant laws in Pakistan. There are many relevant laws like National Disaster Management Act 2010, which purpose is to establish NDMA and provisional bodies. It is meant to give relief and rescue and rehabilitation. Pakistan Climate Change Act 2017, its purpose to make climate change authority and it is used to save the valuables. Environmental Protection Act 1997, its purpose is to regulate environmental hazards and it is applicable for the urban planning failures contributing to the flooding. Land Acquisition Act 1894, it governs the compensation for acquired land and it's applicable when the business lost land to flood and other projects are damaged because of the floods. Legal gaps and challenges, lack of business specific compensation mechanism, weakness of enforcement of urban drainage regulations, limited access to climate change insurance or microfinancing for SMEs. Small industries get very small compensation in case of floods and it should be protected in every way. So businesses must not only prepare physically but also legally. Understanding your rights, invoking relevant laws and pushing your for policy reforms can turn into very effective measures. If you are a shop owner in Lahore or a manufacturer and says law is a law fought for you, but it is a sad thing that people do not give importance to the weather predictions. Whenever a weather predictions come that a bad or a heavy rainfall is coming, people usually ignore it and do not consider it and do not take it very seriously. So it is necessary that awareness camp should be arranged and people should start taking these things seriously, because weather is not no more a drawing room subject. It is a very disasters making just creating disasters for especially for Pakistani, and especially if you see in northern areas right now there's a great flood and there was a prediction of bad weather, but I feel very sorry when I hear this news that people had ignored these warnings. So we should be aware of the relevant laws and we should give importance to the newses which are given to protect people.